Why the frick?
How do I just repair this? Acoustic just old.
Oh yeah, and so and you only need 3 Sigma boards.
$50? I mean, what does this even need repairing?
Dang! You see my skin, bro?
Can this get off of my screen?
What?
I was gonna ask
It's not.
Express.
Oh.
What?
The Express, the pet. The cycle. The Spike? What the heck?
The Express? The frick?
Hey, this is a lot of rush.
Yeah. Go to the, wait, easy.
Hold up. I'm filming my battle pass.
Okay. When you're done, go to the hot drop. The Express. The hot drops.
I'm out, guys. Battle pass, bro.
Who bought the battle pass?
Friend.
Fortnite what?
Fortnite Battle Pass with fries and a Pepsi.
Can I get a Fortnite Battle Pass?
Your friend, yeah, bro. Friend.
Which is me. I bought the battle pass.
Nah.
Right, Torch? Yeah.
How do I submit the job?
I'm filming battle pass.
On hot drops.
Oh.
I'm still claiming my rewards, guys. I'm still claiming my rewards. Slowly but surely.
Sandpaper.
Wait, in the battle pass?
Yes, bro. I have to claim
For
all of
you.
them just to get the John Wick.
You know, get all choose the
There we
paper
go.
one again.
Door.
Hey!
This one too.
What I need? And the locker.
Oh, I get extra.
Hot
One sandpaper.
What? Yo, what the heck?
Yo.
Have it. I mean, look at the
Oh. Oh my. Yo.
Look at this girl. Is this the galaxy? Oh, when is this?
Go!
Oh, okay. What the heck is this? I'm riding in a black hole. This is riding in a black hole. Hi.
Hey!
The John Wick that was like in the item shop. Remember the battle pass?
I know. Hey, let's go.
I don't have any money for that.
We're the John Wick team.
I'm the bro's engine. Damn. I'm fixing. Damn. This car have a big ass mean ass overbite. Damn.
If he should go to jail right now, spam facts. Facts.
Chat, if y'all think Kai got a mean ass overbite, spam damn.
Look at me, right?
I have to open the engine just too. Oh, I got rid of that too.
Look at me spin.
What about it?
Right, it looks normal, right?
Yeah?
This is claiming it's even more. He's only level 70. 72, I think. And he was like so shocked when he was like, you're on class 96, bro. And I was like this, bro.
Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's go. What the fuck?
And they
Hold on.
Yo, it's a rare Sprite, yo.
say,
What?
oh yeah, I know.
It's with the
I'm
job.
losing. Who's 100?
In the left side. How did you get an F1 car this rusty?
So I wanted to sticky song. The song called Sticky. Or I won. And right now I won.
Why do I hear walk him down?
It's all the way down at the bottom.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, you wanna hear like the lobby music?
Actually, Jack, alright. Oh, good. Well, I did that before.
There's the random things. Kicks? I got white kicks. The first kicks I got. The first kicks I ever bought was the white kicks. My aura is good.
Come on, get it.
So this is oh my god, this is
Yo, what the?
Hell yeah. What the fuck?
no!
See what else? Oh my. What do you mean? Everything about this car is broken. I don't want to be filmed. I'm not hearing anything. Job's done. What the fuck? Spoil? Oh.
I'm done.
Here we go. It's 1,000 bro. Oh yeah. Sand blaster? Yeah, I do want that, but I need to buy parts for it. Damn! Yo! This has to be at least like... You have to pay me like 3,000 for this song. Cause there is no way I'm not gonna return this for free, bro. Is there any rust thing in here? And there's 4,000, let's go. What happened, bro? What is this, bro? I gotta go Stranger Things. After that, it's me. I can't get that. Yup. Damn. If Kai had me on so bad, spam. Damn. Oh, that's wrong thing. Oh, I gotta break this too. $1,000. Alright. Bastard. How can you tell if a sandwich is cut in half? Alright, put the wheels on. When the hell put the muffins in the freezer? Damn. I think we get back to work. Yeah, Amber Alert. We got a spoiler. That'd be $2,000. Thank you. Oh, damn. Oh, Jordan's Raleigh Royce. Funny, bro. The wheels are always the main part. Oh wait, can I upgrade my garage now? Oh. Wait a fucking damn it. What is this car? What you mean? For how much? In $5,000. I gotta upgrade my car, right? Damn! Yeah, this person's hard stuff. Oh, you need the windshield. Oh, and both of you need this. And who needs the last part? Yo, I better be getting paid a lot for this stuff, bro. If you want to see part 2 of this, make sure to like, and comment. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Account deleted. I'm out of here.
Can I get a Fortnite battle pass?